Here I am at the Taiwanese restaurant. Look at that menu. Quite a few stuff to choose from. And here is the lunch menu. The prices are very friendly. We have ordered a few dishes, and here are the drinks and the appetizer. It's black pepper beef pastry. Doesn't sound very Taiwanese, does it? And here comes the pork noodles. And the vegetables and oyster sauce. Oh man, I love oyster sauce. And here is the very Japanese looking beef eggplant rice. And now I'm at a different restaurant. It's a Japanese one. It's called Watami Japanese Casual Restaurant. I wouldn't say it's totally Japanese. It's more like a fusion between Japanese and Western cuisine. You must come here when you have a chance because the food here is delicious. Here is the drink menu. I love their menu because it's so colorful and so vibrant. It just makes you want to eat and drink. This is their seasonal menu in addition to their normal menu. They change it every season. Look, everything looks so delicious. And here is the setting for the table. And here comes the food. This is the pepper beef rice in stone pot. They use stone pot because it traps the heat inside. Before you eat, you have to mix the rice with the beef. Then the beef will be cooked. And this is the crab salad. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's definitely delicious. The salad comes with a sauce, and you have to pour the sauce over the salad and mix the salad before you eat it. I love this sauce. It tastes great. And this is the deep fried soft shell crab. They don't look that great, but I can assure you they taste really nice. You have to try this one. And this is the crab and scallop croquettes. Then here comes the rice cake au gratin. And this one is the roasted beef and spring onions. It is very tasty. And we have got two desserts. Look at that. Aren't they just beautiful? This one is the chocolate brownie with ice cream and chocolate sauce. And this one is a green tea ice cream with amitsu dumplings.